Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to harvest and consume fenugreek. Fenugreek, which is also known as methi, is a herb which is used in Indian cooking. It is one of the easiest and inexpensive plant to grow, so I suggest this for anyone who wants to begin gardening. It usually takes 20 to 30 days to harvest fenugreek. So this plant I actually planted before 3 weeks and it is now ready to harvest. Today I am going to harvest only half of it. That itself will give me 2 bunches of methi. Even the stems which I have harvested now, it will regrow. So this plant will at least regrow for 3 to 4 times, so I can harvest for at least 3 to 4 times. Look at this, in just 3 weeks I got 2 bunches of methi. This crop is not just easy to grow, it has numerous health benefits. It actually helps in lowering cholesterol and sugar levels. It also increases the breast milk production in the lactating mothers. Wash it properly to remove any garden soil or residue in it. There are many recipes with methi in Indian cuisine. So today I'm going to show you how to make an easy methi dal with mango. Actually, methi tastes on the bitter side, so the sourness from the mango actually helps in balancing the bitterness from the methi. Come on, let's see how to make this methi dal. For this we need half a cup of tur dal. You need to pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles and mash it completely. Take 1 cup of onion and fry it until it is transparent. Once the onions are fried, add 1 cup of tomatoes. With this also add half cup of mango, roughly like 5 to 6 pieces of mango in it. At this point we can add the spices. I usually add lot of turmeric in my cooking, so half a tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and then 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Now add 3 green chilies and put on the lid, let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Once it is cooked, now I am going to add the methi leaves which we harvested from the garden. We can add the methi leaves with the stem because it is still tender. Cook it for 3 to 5 minutes and then add the mashed dal in it. You can now add salt according to your taste. Mix everything and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. Your dal will be ready. Now it's time to add tadka. Keep a small pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil in it and add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of urad dal. Once it splatters, now it's time to add little bit of hing to it and then add curry leaves to it. So once the tempering is ready, pour it in the dal and it smells really yum. It is an easy, simple and healthy recipe. Most importantly, I get a great satisfaction when I feed my family with the food I grew it by myself. Even you can grow it by yourself by using the things from your kitchen. All you need is the methi seeds from your grocery and also any kind of pot or pan or an aluminium tray. In just 3 weeks, you will get a bunch of methi and you can make this yummy recipe for your family. Thank you, friends.